Okay, good morning, boys. This is N. Nagendra Prasad from TTW URJC Boys Tirumalayapalam English Medium School. Day 25 Spoken English. Language Functions 2. Dear children, we have already discussed some language functions in yesterday's class. Today, let us go through the asking for explanation. Children, these are practically some difficult. If you do not have much practice, you can't say, you can't use them properly. I request you, do practice, do more practice, which enables you speak good English. Let me give examples. Could you explain to me? This is explanation now. Now we are talking about explanations. So, could you explain to me about NEP 2020? Let me give one more example. Could you explain to me algebra problems? Could you explain to me tenses? Here we can write according to the context. About NEP means National Education Policy 2020. Second one, I just don't see. Look here. I just don't see why, what, how. I gave an example based on how. How can I say it? Look, I just don't see how the formula is derived or derivated. Generally, mathematical formulas or physics formulas are derivated. If you don't understand, you can ask to explain it again in this way. I just don't see how the formula is derivated or derived. Let me give one more example. What do you mean by that? This is context. Saying no to your parents about the match. A girl or a boy, if he or she say no to a match that brought by their parents, then you can ask the explanation. What do you mean by that? Saying no to your parents about the match. I don't quite get the class. I repeat, I don't quite get that class. Would you mind explaining me the class again? Look how beautiful the sentences are. Could someone please tell me the last date for examination fee? Could someone please tell me? Children, I request you, please repeat each sentence 10 to 20 times. Then your language becomes very beautiful. I don't really understand what he has said. That means you want to explain it again. Are you saying that you will be absent from the class tomorrow? Come again. Are you saying that? That means why do you want to absent from the class tomorrow? Please explain. This is the meaning implied in this sentence. Are you saying that you will be absent from the class tomorrow? One more example. I beg your pardon. Can you repeat it again? Sometimes we don't understand what others says, what others speak. Then you have to say, you have to ask them pardon. I beg your pardon. Can you repeat it again? Excuse me, did you say that our schools would be reopened next month? I repeat. Excuse me, did you say that our schools would be reopened next month? Giving your opinion. In the previous slide, we learnt about explanations. But here, we give our opinions to others on certain topics. Look, in my opinion, in my view, you are telling about what? NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020, will bring tremendous changes in education system in India. It's my opinion. Understand? Whenever you want to start a meeting, whenever you want to start a lecture, whenever you want to give a speech, you can start your speech with this phrase. As far as I can see, or as far as I'm concerned, online classes are not reached to all the students in Telangana state. Not only Telangana, in India, across the world. Well, I'd say that stay home, stay safe. Frequently listening phrase, sentences. You can take it from me that honesty is the best policy. What we have to decide is visit VLCs regularly. It's a fact that we have to learn to live with the corona till vaccine is invented. Children, all these are the phrases begin for explaining your opinion, for saying your opinion. The way, or as I see it, the people in Mumbai maintain self-discipline. As I see it, it's about my opinion. Let me put it this. Let me put it another way, that fight with the corona, not with the patient. Sorry to interrupt you, but I want to mention a point here. Personally, I think doing yoga makes you fit. My view, my point of view is that corona is not a dangerous disease when we are cautious. What I actually meant was VLCs are wonderful opportunities to acquire knowledge. Children, as you all know, what do you mean by VLCs? Village Learning Circles, initiated by our Honorable Secretary Sir Sri R.S. Praveen Kumar Sir. Giving opinions part 3. This is, look, if you ask me, I'll help you. It seems to me that you are fatigued. Look, this word fatigue. Fatigue means become very tidy, seems very tidy, very weak. I think, I feel, I reckon, I believe soon this pandemic will be eradicated. Children, do you know what do you mean by reckon? Reckons means estimation, estimate. I think, I feel, I reckon, I believe soon this pandemic will be eradicated. Eradicate means destroyed. If you want my opinion, you can take BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. First of all, to start with, I'd like to point out the wonderful presentation